Welcome to Azerbaijan, a land where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovation and where the flame of hospitality burns brightly. Nestled at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Azerbaijan is a country of diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the top 9 places that showcase the beauty and allure of this enchanting nation. Azerbaijani culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of tradition, influenced by Persian, Turkish, Russian, and Caucasian heritage. Hospitality, known as mehmanperverlik, is a cornerstone of Azerbaijani culture, with guests often treated with utmost warmth and generosity. Music, dance, and storytelling are integral parts of Azerbaijani culture, with mugam, classical music, and the traditional dance of yali holding special significance. Traditional crafts such as carpet weaving, pottery, and copper craftsmanship are also cherished aspects of Azerbaijani culture, reflecting the country's artisanal heritage. Azerbaijan is a secular state with a predominantly Muslim population, the majority of whom adhere to Shia Islam. However, the country is known for its religious tolerance and diversity, with communities of Sunni Muslims, Christians, Jews, and other faiths coexisting peacefully. Religious freedom is enshrined in the constitution, and Azerbaijan's rich religious heritage includes mosques, churches, synagogues, and temples dating back centuries. Azerbaijan's climate varies from temperate in the north to subtropical in the south, with distinct seasons and diverse microclimates. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures averaging around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 77-86 degree F, in the lowlands and cooler temperatures in the mountains. Winters are mild along the coast but can be cold and snowy in the mountainous regions. Spring and autumn are transitional seasons characterized by pleasant temperatures and occasional rainfall. The people of Azerbaijan, also known as Azerbaijani Turks, are renowned for their warmth, hospitality, and strong sense of national pride. Family plays a central role in Azerbaijani society, fostering close-knit familial ties and a deep respect for elders. The cuisine of Azerbaijan reflects the country's rich, multicultural heritage, with dishes such as plov, a type of rice pilaf, kebabs, dolma, which are stuffed grape leaves, and the sweet delight of baklava. Traditional attire features the chapan, a robe worn by men, and the vibrant, colorful national dress known as the kelaghayi for women. Economy. Azerbaijan's economy is diverse, driven by industries such as oil and gas, agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. The country is a significant producer of oil and natural gas, with the energy sector playing a pivotal role in its economy. Azerbaijan's strategic location as a gateway between Europe and Asia has positioned it as a key transportation hub, facilitating trade and investment. In recent years, the government has prioritized economic diversification and sustainable development, investing in sectors such as renewable energy, technology, and tourism. Animal Azerbaijan is home to a diverse array of wildlife, from the majestic Caucasian leopard to the elusive Caspian seal. The country's varied landscapes, which include mountains, forests, and wetlands, provide habitats for a wide range of species. Wildlife enthusiasts can spot bears, wolves, lynx, and gazelles in the country's protected areas, such as the Shardag National Park and Hyrkan National Park. Azerbaijan's rich biodiversity also extends to its bird life, with species such as the Caucasian black grouse, Caspian snowcock, and eastern imperial eagle thriving in the country's wilderness areas. These are the top 9 places to must visit in Azerbaijan. 1. Baku, the capital city. Baku, Azerbaijan's cosmopolitan capital, is a juxtaposition of old and new. Explore the UNESCO-listed Old City, where narrow cobblestone streets wind past medieval buildings and ancient mosques. Don't miss the iconic Flame Towers, a modern architectural marvel that dominates the city skyline, symbolizing Azerbaijan's heritage as the land of fire. 2. Gobustan National Park. Step back in time at Gobustan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its ancient rock carvings and mud volcanoes. Marvel at petroglyphs dating back thousands of years, depicting scenes of hunting, dancing, and rituals, offering a glimpse into Azerbaijan's prehistoric past. 3. Sheki, the city of caravanserais. Nestled in the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains, Sheki is a picturesque city steeped in history and culture. Explore the enchanting old town where traditional silk merchants' houses and caravanserais line cobblestone streets. Don't miss the magnificent Sheki Khan's palace, adorned with intricate frescoes and stained glass windows. 4. Gabala, the Alpine retreat. Escape to Gabala, Azerbaijan's premier mountain resort, nestled in the heart of the Greater Caucasus. Surrounded by lush forests, meandering rivers, and snow-capped peaks, Gabala offers an array of outdoor activities from hiking and horseback riding to skiing and ziplining. Explore the ancient ruins of Gabala Fortress and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of this alpine retreat. 5. Shahdagh National Park. Discover the pristine wilderness of Shahdagh National Park, home to Azerbaijan's highest peak and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through alpine meadows carpeted with wildflowers, spot rare wildlife such as Caucasian leopards and mountain goats, and soak in the breathtaking vistas of the Caucasus Mountains. 6. Ateshka Fire Temple. Experience the mystical allure of the Ateshka Fire Temple, a sacred pilgrimage site dedicated to Zoroastrianism. Perched atop a natural gas vent, this ancient temple has been a place of worship for centuries, drawing visitors with its eternal flames and spiritual significance. 7. Yana Dag, the Burning Mountain. Witness nature's fiery spectacle at Yana Dag, the Burning Mountain, where natural gas seeps from the Earth's surface and ignites perpetually. Flames dance atop the hillside, creating a mesmerizing display that has captivated travelers for centuries, earning Azerbaijan its moniker as the Land of Fire. 8. Heydar Aliyev Center. Immerse yourself in contemporary art and architecture at the Heydar Aliyev Center, a futuristic masterpiece designed by renowned architect Zaha Hadid. Explore the center's fluid forms and innovative exhibitions celebrating Azerbaijan's cultural heritage and artistic legacy. 9. Lake Goygol. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and discover the tranquil beauty of Lake Goygol, nestled amidst the majestic mountains of the Lesser Caucasus. Surrounded by verdant forests and pristine wilderness, this crystal-clear lake is a haven for nature lovers, offering opportunities for fishing, picnicking, and hiking along scenic trails. Conclusion. From the ancient streets of Baku to the pristine peaks of the Caucasus, Azerbaijan beckons travelers with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether exploring ancient rock carvings, soaking in the warmth of traditional hospitality, or marveling at modern architectural marvels, Azerbaijan offers an unforgettable journey of discovery. Join us as we uncover the treasures of this captivating land, where every corner reveals a new story and every moment is an adventure. Welcome to Azerbaijan, where the past meets the future and the fire of culture burns bright. Join us on our journey through this extraordinary country, where every step reveals a new chapter in the story of humanity. Please like and share this video.